Hey friends, my name is Mukut Banerjee and I am a computer science undergraduate. This is my first video and I would like to share one of my recent project work publicly. I have created a computer video game programmed on XNA platform in the language C#. This is a tile-based strategy game and one can find many such popular games in this genre in the gaming world. For example, Dota, Commandos, Age of Empires, Sanitarium, to name a few. I would like to mention that I have borrowed the graphics and some of the code from online resources. Now, you can see there are two moving entities in a red colored shirt. These two are the enemies of the game, and these are patrolling in a specified path, and they are carrying a pink area along with them. This is called the field of view of the enemy, and it is used to detect the player if the player comes in this field of view of this enemy. And you can see that the field of view is responsive to the obstacles in the environment, so that the field of view cannot pass through the obstacles and gets restricted to where the obstacles are. The player is in yellow colored shirt and is hiding in the bushes right now. The aim is to reach the green bush on the topmost left corner in order to win the game without getting in the sight of the patrolling enemies. On a left mouse click at any position on the screen, you tell the player where to go next. For example, if I click over here, so the player will find the shortest path in the least time to move to this particular position. This is determined by an algorithm. In the process, the player, if encounters obstacles in the path that aren't walkable, for example rocks, then the player would respond to these obstacles by changing his direction of movement. For example, if I want my player to move from this position to, say, behind the rock here, so if I click here, the player would detect that a rock is in his path, in his straight path to the particular destination, and would then rather choose some other path that is that goes around the rock rather than going through the rock. So this is called path detecting algorithm. If you attempt to click it in a position that is not walkable, say the rocks or the pond, then you can hear this sound, or meaning that you can't walk on these areas. If you come in the sight of the enemy would detect your presence in his field of view. For example, if I click here and ask my player to come over here, so the enemy would detect you because you have come in his sight and the game will get over. This is again determined by an algorithm called the field of view algorithm. So this is it. This is my game. I would just show you how to win this game. For example, if I click here and find a path to my goal, avoiding any enemy's line of sight, I reach here and I win the game. So the mission is complete. So this is what my game is. I hope you liked it. And of course, I admit that there is a lot of scope of improvement in terms of gameplay, graphics, or scalability. But till the next time, see ya, and thanks for watching my video.